Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best loud car horn is probably one of the most important safety features on your vehicle, and choosing the right one can mean the difference between a near miss and a major accident. In this video, we will explore the top-rated loud car horns on the market, examining their sound pressure levels, durability, ease of installation, and overall value to help you find the perfect horn to enhance your vehicle's safety and make sure you're heard, even in the loudest traffic. Number 5. Hella BX Trumpet Horn Kit. Get noticed with the superior sound and style of these unique horns. They're designed to provide the reliability you need in any situation. These aren't your average horns. They deliver a powerful, distinctive trumpet sound that commands attention. Experience the difference. In critical moments, it's crucial to be heard. These horns guarantee you'll be noticed, enhancing your safety on the road. Crafted for the discerning driver, it combines high-level safety with exceptional design and lasting quality. You'll appreciate the difference. Installation is a breeze. It comes with everything you need, including a mounting bracket and connectors, for a quick and easy setup. For over 100 years, Hella has been a global leader in automotive technology. These horns represent that commitment to quality and innovation. They boast a frequency range of 400 to 500 Hz and a sound level of 105 to 118 dB. They operate on 12 volts and 6 amps. These horns are designed for universal fitment, making them a perfect upgrade for almost any vehicle. What we like. This horn boasts superior build quality and a time-tested design. If you value reliability and a brand with a long history of excellence, this is the perfect choice for your vehicle. Its robust construction ensures it will last for years, providing you with peace of mind on the road. What people say. These horns are genuine Hella. Easy install. Plug and play for my 2017 Volkswagen Alltrack. Sounds perfect. Horns are much louder and have a deeper tone and demand attention when used. The two frequencies of the horns works well together and makes a loud chorus of "Get the hell out of my way." Number 4. 12V 150 dB Car Air Horn. Get ready to experience superior sound and safety on the road. This powerful horn ensures you're heard, day or night. It's built with high-quality chrome-plated zinc trumpets and an all-copper coil compressor. This ensures it's rust-resistant and long-lasting. Experience a sound that's both powerful and clear. It's significantly louder than standard horns, making it easy to alert others to your presence. Installation is a breeze with the included relay wiring kit and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll be enjoying the loud sound in no time. It's suitable for a wide range of 12V vehicles, from cars and trucks to boats and motorcycles. It's the perfect addition to any vehicle. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. It's incredibly loud and built to last. If you need maximum sound output and ease of installation, this horn is for you. The durable materials ensure it can withstand harsh conditions, making it ideal for various vehicles and environments. What people say. It sounds great, installed easily, and seems like it's gonna last quite a while. The tone is very similar to a tractor-trailer horn, but in higher frequency. It's been about a year and so far still consistent and operational. The horn is metal. It's not some flimsy tin can metal either, it feels pretty substantial. Second, the compressor has some heft, weight, to it. Thirdly, is it loud? Yeah, she puts out some decibels. It gets the attention it's intended to. Number 3. FIAMM Freeway Blaster 72112. Get ready to experience superior sound with the FIAMM Freeway Blaster 72112 horn. It's built to last, with a corrosion-resistant steel housing and an ABS plastic projector for durability and style. This low-note horn boasts a powerful 133 decibel output, ensuring you're heard. Its aluminum coil motor provides reliable performance, exceeding SAE and OEM specifications. Installation is a breeze. It comes with everything you need, a universal mounting bracket, jumper wire, nuts, and connectors. It's designed to fit a wide range of vehicles. It's built with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. It offers outstanding resistance to wear and tear, so you can rely on it for years to come. It's perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, or UTVs. Wherever you need to be heard, it's ready to perform. Experience a deep, resonant low note that cuts through traffic noise. This horn is designed to deliver superior sound quality and performance. What we like. This horn offers a deep, resonant low note. If you are looking for a powerful low tone that cuts through traffic noise, this is the one for you. Its robust construction and high-performance design will provide years of reliable service. What people say. It worked right off and very loud. Beeped it a bunch of times to test it and also pressed on and held for about 20 seconds several times and no issue. The stock horn was difficult to hear over the motor wind at just 45 miles per hour, and completely inaudible over 60 miles per hour. I can clearly hear this FIAMM low horn on the interstate over 70 miles per hour. Now we have a horn that makes you get noticed on the freeway. This means more safety on the road when driving because you have a strong honking to alert other distracted drivers. It sounds powerful, like it is meant when you have a big car. Number 2. Hella Supertone Twin Horn Kit. Get ready to experience superior sound with this kit. It's designed to upgrade your vehicle's horn with a powerful and distinctive tone. It boasts a sleek black-coated metal body and a red protective grille. This combination ensures both style and protection. This kit offers both high and low tones, providing you with versatile signaling options for any situation. The kit is designed for easy installation, ensuring a quick and hassle-free upgrade for your vehicle. It's built with high-quality materials and is backed by a 1-year limited warranty. You can trust it to deliver reliable performance. Experience the power and clarity of this horn kit. It's the perfect upgrade for drivers who demand the best. What we like. This horn has a distinctive and stylish look. If you appreciate a visually appealing horn with both high and low tones, this is a great option. The added warranty provides extra assurance of its quality and longevity. What people say. The high tone and low tone horns produce an incredibly loud and clear sound, making sure I'm heard on the road. Installation was easy, and the red protective grille adds a nice touch of style. The twin horn setup, offering both high tone and low tone, creates a sound that's undeniably powerful, albeit not the deep, throaty honk you might expect from a truck. Instead, it's a sharp, penetrating sound that slices through traffic noise with ease. These horns are loud and will definitely get attention. These were installed in my 2018 Tesla Model 3 using the stock connector and a Ford adapter from NeoGet here on Amazon. The stock mount had to be drilled out a bit, but everything fit and was a super easy install. Number 1. FARBIN Horns Auto Horn. It's incredibly loud at 130 decibels. This ensures you're heard, helping avoid accidents and keeping you safe on the road. It uses only 12V DC power, meaning low energy consumption but a powerful, clear sound. You'll get high-quality audio without draining your battery. It's designed to fit most 12V vehicles. From cars and trucks to motorcycles and ATVs, it's the perfect addition to almost any ride. Made with high-quality ABS material and a waterproof shell, it's built to last. It can withstand even the harshest weather conditions. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or issues, contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This horn is incredibly loud and built to withstand the elements. If you need a waterproof and durable horn that provides a powerful warning, this is a perfect choice. Its robust construction and high sound output ensure it will perform reliably in any condition. What people say. The quality of this product is excellent. The small details such as the connectors all lock into place when connected. The wiring is the proper gauge for the amperage. The 4 mounting brackets are thin if you need to bend them, but doubled up are plenty strong. The horns are loud and solidly built. These are loud horns by the original equipment manufacturer of the single horn installed by Honda in my 2024 CR-V. The original horn seems slightly beefier in construction, but the difference may not be significant to longevity and reliability. The new high-frequency horn fit well. There is a significant sound level increase with the two new horns installed. It is now a big car horn and enough like a locomotive horn to satisfy me. Easy to install, just splice onto factory wiring, just 4 wires. Comes with everything you need to adapt. Sounds more aggressive than my car's stock horn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.